we're going to keep it short. We're going to keep it sweet. What I want to talk to you about today is this card here that you receive on your packaging. If you've ever shipped anything with us, you've received a card like this on the packaging. And tell you what it's about and what you should be doing with this card. Now, if you look at your shipping label, this is a customer's live shipping label, so you can see across all the information. But where it says mailbox is extremely important. My mailbox is 00001. I am customer number 1 at Island Shipper, but that's where you find your mailbox number. And so what you should be doing with the card is writing in that mailbox number and give this card to someone. Now, if that person signs up for a shipping account, not only you get a free shipping coupon, but that person gets a free shipping coupon as well. So let's say you're a customer who pick up your package at Knutsford. You simply yank the card off and turn to the next person in line at Knutsford and say, hey, listen, check out this shipping company. They're very good. You may get an opportunity to get a package shipped for free. That person will read this side of the card, follow the instructions, set up an account, and send us your mailbox number. And with your mailbox number, they will be getting a free shipping coupon, and so will you. So it's that easy. Just go ahead and just hand it to someone, whether it's at church, whether it's at home, to your neighbor, whether you got your package at work, just leave it on somebody's desk. And that's an excellent way. Now, after you've done that a few times, you're going to build up a cadre of free shipping coupon. Every time you go to ship, you're going to be able to ship for free.